ready to unlock Discord's full potential without reaching for your credit card. If you've got some Google Play credits sitting around, this video will show you how to use it to subscribe to Discord Nitro in just a few simple steps. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. It's crucial you're on Android for this to work then. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your user settings. Scroll down until you find the Nitro option and tap on it here. You'll see the different Nitro plans available: Nitro Basic, Nitro, and Nitro Classic. Choose the Nitro plan that suits your needs and tap subscribe. Below it, you will then be prompted to choose Google Pay as your payment method. On the payment screen, you should see your Google Play balance as an available payment method if it's not automatically selected. Tap on the drop-down menu beneath the displayed payment and choose Google Play balance. Confirm that your Google Play balance is selected, and then tap the subscribe button. You might be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transaction. Congratulations! Your Discord Nitro subscription is now active. Paid for with your Google Play credits. Enjoy your enhanced Discord experience. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.